Forces. A force is a push or a pull on any object, that is, a thing with mass. A push is a force in the direction of the object, whereas a pull is a force away from the object. Forces are able to change the motion of an object. An unbalanced force is able to change the speed or direction of an object's motion. If a force is unbalanced and in one direction, the object will speed up. However, if there is an opposite force of the same strength, then the forces are balanced. If the object is in motion, it will continue to move at a constant speed. Here we see four forces pushing in opposite directions. If one of the forces is reduced, then motion will begin in the direction of the unbalanced force. Here we have unbalanced forces in two directions, so our object will move off to an angle. Friction is a pulling force that acts in the opposite direction of an object's motion as it slides across a plane. Here we see friction acting in the opposite direction of motion. Different objects on different surfaces will experience different forces of friction. When an object is moving, friction is a constant force in the opposite direction of motion. As an object slows down, the friction continues. However, when the object stops moving, the friction also stops. Magnets are an example of a non-contact force. A magnet is able to put a force on a metal object, such as a bar of iron, even without touching that bar of iron. The force in this case is a pull. Magnets can also put forces on each other. Magnets have two poles, north and south. North and south poles will pull on each other, but same poles, such as two north poles, will push on each other.